Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and of course we will be looking at the topic which we have started already, which is best way to enter a trade in boom and crash. Okay, best way to enter a trade in boom and crash, and this has been an amazing topic that each and every one of us have been benefiting from, and of course we will be looking at more on it so that we will know when to go into the trade and when to exit the trade. This is very important. Okay, so many people that started this with me have been using the opportunity to milk the market successfully, and I'm really happy about it. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you do your practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? And of course guys, let me quickly say this: for those of you that are yet to join the Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. Can you join the Telegram channel today so that you can follow up with the trading activities that is going on within the Telegram channel? I usually update it with different trading activities, okay, on the channel, so that we can we know what to go for. And of course, these are some of the trades that I'm also taking, so you will also be seeing my result. And sometimes once in a while I share some of my subscribers results also. So these are some of the things we do on the Telegram channel. It's always interesting, and of course it's fun when you make money. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be looking at the best way to enter a trade. Like I always tell you, the trend is always very vital when you are trading, okay, most especially when you are trading synthetic indices. Okay, when you know everything that has to do with it, then you should be able to milk the market successful with it. Okay, I mean successfully, okay, without any hiccups. Okay, so you know when it is wrong for you to go into the market, and you know when it is right for you to go into the market. For instance, when we are trading, this is boom 1000, we don't know how to trade. Let's say we don't know how to trade the spiky part, then definitely we shouldn't sell during this period. Okay, this is the uptrend period. So once you are able to identify the uptrend period, then you should stay away from the market. Check out, there are so many spiky candles around there. So if you are trading, if you are selling around there, then definitely you should know that you will be losing out on your capital around there. Okay, so you shouldn't sell around here. And of course, when the market is getting to the support zone, then you should stay away from the market, because at that point you are most likely to have a spike happening around there. And that was what happened around here. This was a major support zone. You can see it kept on spiking up and up till it got to this resistance zone. So when should you now sell for boom? Okay, that is when the market is on downtrend. So this is the best time for you to sell. You can see it kept on going down and down. Even if it spike on you, you will still go back in profits, okay, because the spike only happens once in a while when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so you can see it around there. We only had two spikes around there, then thereafter about let's say, let me see the number of candles that was created after the two spikes that happened. Okay, let me see. You can say this is 25 candles. More than 20 candles were created again. Okay, so within those periods you would have milked the market successfully. And this is not even 1 minute time frame, this is 2 minute time frame. Okay, so this makes it easier for us to milk the market successfully. So this is the best time for you to trade, for you to sell, if you are not trading the spiky part. Okay, so you should know when to go into the market. So when should you come into the market? Let's say we are not trading the spiky part. When should we come into the market? The best time for you to come into the market is when you are sure of the trend. You can see this is the trend. It has shown right here. This is coming from the resistance zone. Your major resistance zone is very important. So once this is coming from a major resistance zone, then you are good to go. And of course, you've gotten your sell signal and you've gotten your red flag, then you can come in here. Even if there is a pullback, it will still go back into a downtrend because it is from a major resistance zone. But if you missed out on that, when can you come in again? Whenever you have your red arrow popping out. So far it is still on downtrend and it has not gotten to a major support zone, then you are good to go. So it will keep on selling at that point till it gets to a major support zone. At this point, I expect you to stay out of the market around here. So you should pull out of the market around here. You should pull out of the market around there, because it is about getting to a major support zone. You don't know if it will break out from there, and you don't know if it will go back into a full uptrend or it will just be a pullback. So it is better you stay clear from there even before it gets to the major support zone, so that you won't be caught up in the market anywhere from there. And I believe the profit you would have made right from here to this place should be enough. And if you even want to make more, probably you were able to trade till this level. I think that is enough for you for the day. And check it out, it broke out below this support zone around there, but it took some time before it broke out from there. So that is why I always tell you that you should stay away from the market at that point, so that you can stay clear from whatever is happening. You don't know if it's going to break out or not. If it breaks out, good. If it does not, then you should stay clear from the market. So all these are very, very important. That is why it is important you should know the right trend to trade the asset. We can also say the same thing about crash. Let's go to crash. This is crash 1000. Let's see what is happening. For crash, the best time to trade it when the markets when you are trading, let's say you are not trading the spiky part, that is the crash down candle. Okay, the best time to trade it is when the market is on uptrend. You can see we had more buying candles on uptrend than when the market was on downtrend. You can see this is the downtrend. There are so many big spiky candles are happening around there. Okay, so all these are very, very important. And of course, when you are to trade it, make sure it starts from a major support zone. Okay, from a major support zone, you've gotten the trend signal and you've gotten the entry point signal, then you can come in. The best time to come in is around here. Okay, if you miss that, then the next time is when you have another opportunity like this and it is not very close to the resistance zone. So all these are very, very important. If you are going to take note of that and make sure you trade within the major support zone for crash, within the major support zone, and just before you get to a major resistance zone, then you will notice that you will always be in profit all the time. This is very, very important. For resistance, it's going to be from a major resistance zone to, just before, then you close your trade just before you get to a major support zone, then you will notice that you are always in profit all the time. So you can practice this over and over, then you will see that it's one of the easiest way to trade these two assets. Okay, and you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, so I would like you to go back to your chart and have this setup on your chart. This setup will help you. The setup is called the 3M trend milker indicator. Okay, it will help you to analyze the market easily, and you will be able to identify your trend easily. You will even know your entry point and your exit point. That way you will be able to milk the market successfully with it without any hiccups. Okay, so make sure you have the setup on your chart if you have it, and of course do your analysis very well. Try to practice on your demo, and of course with that you will be able to see that this strategy really works, and you will make some profit for yourself. If you do that over and over, you will keep on making profit for yourself, and that way you will develop more confidence within the market, and you will be able to move into your live account that way. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, I will be expecting your result, and do not forget to join the Telegram channel so that we can trade together. I will be posting an update on the Telegram channel any moment from now, so that you guys can also take advantage of it. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.